In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and remove users in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or removing access for someone who's leaving your organization, managing users correctly is essential for keeping your HubSpot account secure and organized. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to add a user in HubSpot. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open your main account settings area, where you can manage users, permissions, and other account level configurations. After clicking on settings, go to the left-hand sidebar and find the option called Users and Teams. Click on it. This section allows you to see everyone who currently has access to your HubSpot account, along with their roles and permission levels. Now, in the top right corner of the Users and Teams page, click the Create User button. HubSpot will then prompt you to enter the new user's email address. Make sure you enter the correct email address because this is where the invitation will be sent. After entering the email address, click Next. You'll now be asked to choose permissions for this user. Depending on your HubSpot subscription plan, especially if you're on the free plan, permission options may be limited. Carefully review the available permissions and select the appropriate access level based on the person's role. For example, you may want to give sales access, marketing access, admin rights, or restrict certain tools depending on what they need. Once you've selected the correct permissions, click Next again, then click Send Invitation. HubSpot will immediately send an email invitation to that user. They'll need to open the email and accept the invitation in order to gain access to your account. And that's it, you've successfully added a new user in HubSpot. Now let's move on to how to remove a user from your HubSpot account. This is especially important when someone leaves your company or no longer needs access, so you can keep your account secure. To remove a user, once again click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Then navigate to Users and Teams in the left sidebar, just like we did before. You'll now see the full list of users who currently have access to your account. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find the specific user you want to remove. Once you locate them, click on their name to open their user profile panel. On the right-hand side, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu. Click on Actions and then select Remove from Account. HubSpot will ask you to confirm the removal. Go ahead and confirm it. After confirming, the user will immediately lose access to your HubSpot account. Keep in mind that removing a user does not delete historical data, such as emails, notes, or activity they created. It simply removes their login access. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add new users and remove existing users in HubSpot quickly and securely. Managing users properly helps protect your data and ensures the right people have the right level of access. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.